Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about the heart rate lab, give you a couple of instructions to help you get through this one. So first you need to figure out how to calculate or how to find your heart rate. So you're going to take your wrist, you're going to follow down from your thumb to right underneath the crease of your wrist. Okay, I put a little purple mark here. There's a tendon that runs through here. You can feel it, it's kind of wiggly. And then there's a little pocket in between there. And then there's a bone on the other side of it. Right in that little pocket there, that's where you have a vein running through. So you're going to take two fingers and you're going to go right at the base of your thumb and you're just going to gently hold it there till you feel the pulse. Now you should feel a consistent beating. So to take your heart rate, we're going to count the number of beats, the number of pulses you feel in 1 minute. So you need a timer to be able to do this. You have timers on your phone, so you can do that. You also have one on your computer. So you're going to time for 1 minute. Count 1, 2. Okay, and that's what you're going to record as your initial number, your initial beats per minute. How many times did my heart rate beat in 1 minute of time? Okay, then you're going to do whatever the activity is, whether it's sitting, or standing, or walking, or exercising, okay? You are going to do that activity for a total of 1 minute. Then you're going to stop. You're going to take your pulse again. You're going to count for 1 minute how many times it beats. And then you're going to record that in your data table as the after 1 minute time, okay? You still have one more time to record, so we need to do our activity for 1 more minute. So we're either going to sit, or stand, or walk, or exercise for 1 more minute. And then when that minute is up, you're going to record your final heart rate. Again, take a minute, count how many times it beats, and that is your beats per minute that goes inside the data table. That is one trial. So for one trial, you have to record your heart rate 3 times, doing activity for a minute in between your recording. Then you have to repeat that 2 more times. So if you're sitting, you're going to be sitting for a while because you're going to keep recording your initial. Sit for a minute. Don't move around. Just sit very calmly for a minute. Record. Count how many beats in 1 minute time. And then sit for another minute. And then record. Okay? And then once you finish that trial, pick one of the other activities to do. Whether it's exercise, whether it's walking, whether it's standing. If you choose exercise, make sure that you choose an exercise that you can do for a full minute of time. Don't pick something that you're going to do 3 of and then not be able to finish a full minute of. So pick something easy, jog in place, or, reach up to the sky and bend down and touch your toes a few times. You could do that for a minute. Do jumping jacks. I wouldn't pick anything like burpees or mountain climbers that you're going to have a hard time doing for a full minute of time. Okay, so that's the premise for the lab today. You're going to fill in the data table after you make some predictions at the beginning, and then there's some questions at the end that you need to answer. So make sure that you are counting how many times you feel that pulse in a full minute's worth of time. That is your beats per minute. You're going to do an initial, do the activity for a minute, stop the activity, take your pulse again for a minute, do the activity for another minute, and then record your pulse a 3rd time. That counts as 1 trial. You have to do 3 trials of each, calculate the average, and the formula is on your data table. You're going to take trial 1 plus trial 2 plus trial 3, and then divide that by 3 for the total number of trials that you've done, and that is going to give you your average beats per minute. Hopefully this helps. Good luck.